This is an awesome strategy that I've put together for you guys in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can get paid over $20 in just about 3 minutes with this brand new CPA marketing website, which I think is one of the easiest and the best online business models to start in 2022 and 2023 and beyond, simply because it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Not a lot, like maybe $1 or $2 here and there, but there's a really interesting way to go and do this again and again, especially because you're not selling anything. You're giving people the opportunity by giving them away something for free, whether it's a free money giveaway, a free iPhone giveaway, a free PS5 giveaway, and every time you refer someone to one of these giveaways, you actually get paid for that. So I find that CPA marketing is a lot easier to convert than something like that of affiliate marketing. Look, nothing wrong with affiliate marketing. You can still make a lot of money from that, but CPA marketing, definitely a lot easier to convert cold traffic into sales. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new website that will allow you to get a lot of free traffic on autopilot without actually doing any of the work. So you don't need any followers, you don't need any social media, you don't need any subscribers, and you don't even need your own website for the strategy and to succeed and make money from it. I'm going to sit with you thoroughly throughout this video and go through it in depth. This is not going to be some kind of brief video where I go over the website in brief and then half of you don't actually understand what's happening at the end of this video. I'm really going to help you out and go through this in depth and cover all the details for you so that you will know how to go and start your own CPA marketing business with the strategy after this video. So if you really want to make some good money online with CPA marketing, I really suggest watch this video until the end and let's get straight into the first website. Alright, so we're now sitting in my studio over here on the first website, but before we get straight into this, I just want to show you a little bit of analytics about this website, some of the back end about it, just to explain why we should go and use this website. Like I said, I'm going to go through this video and every single website in depth for you guys to help you understand. But before we get into this, my name is Jay, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur and Forex trader from South Africa that documents my daily journey on my YouTube channel over here, recording every single day and how I make money online and live my life full-time making money online pretty much from wherever I am. Also, I've just recently, as well as most of you know, I've just recently got into Forex trading over the last couple of months. I started Forex trading about 8 months ago. I'm starting to move into that full time. I've learned quite well on how to understand the markets, how to trade with the banks institutionally, and how to beat retail traders. So I've got a couple of epic videos on my YouTube channel that shows you exactly what I'm doing in that. I've also just recently launched my own Telegram group where you can chat to me, where I provide a lot of value on the markets. I also post a couple of my own signals, what trades I take so that you can catch them with me. And so far, since I've launched the group, I've had 26 out of 29 successful trades with 3 losses on that. So the profits have really been good. The win to lose ratio has really been good on my trading strategy and my analysis. So if you want to come and follow that, that's the first link in the description to my Telegram group. But without further ado, let's continue with this over here. So this website over here is currently the top 17,000 largest websites in the world. Now, if you think about it, there's millions of websites on the internet. To be in the top 100,000, you know your website is good in getting a lot of traffic. It's the 2,000th biggest website in its country and 146th ranked in its category, which is news and media. So over here, we can see this website gets over 4.5 million views every single month. So right now, this website is absolutely excellent when it comes to getting traffic because it's new. This is not saturated. Not a lot of people are doing this. It's really a great trend to go and catch onto over here. If I scroll down a little bit more, over here, I've got a bit of an analysis for you guys that shows you most of the traffic from this website comes from Korea and United States, which are both top tier countries, which really converts well. So that is really good. I like to have a look at what kind of traffic different websites are getting. So this tool over here is called similarweb.com. You can put in any website into this program and it will give you all the analysis you need, how much traffic it's getting, where that traffic is coming from. So it's really handy to use that to obviously benefit your offer. So now that we've got some nice information on this website, we can go and get started with setting up our CPA marketing business with this. So we're going to come over to a website called maxbounty.com, one of my favorite and highest quality CPA marketing websites that I know on the internet. I know some people have a struggle to sign up on Max Bounty. If you are struggling, you can come over to CPAgrip.com, which is another great alternative. A lot of the same offers are on this website as well. Very easy to sign up, but in this case, I'm going to be using Max Bounty over here. We're going to go and click on sign in on the top right over here, which will take you to this page. If you haven't created an account, just click on register now over here and go and fill out all of this information on each and every page. Again, we can go and sign in over here. So I'm just going to enter my name and my password so that we can go into my dashboard and show you the right CPA products that we can use for this strategy. Your dashboard will look something similar to this. So over here, you can see some different offers on your your screen over here and all your earnings summary on the top. So just to go through this, so far today I've earned about $76 from this, and it's only 8:47 a.m. in the morning, so there's still the whole day to go. Yesterday I pulled out just over $101 using this strategy, and so far this month just over or just under $3,100 from doing this strategy. So the strategy is definitely paying well. This is definitely a livable income just to afford maybe a home, some food, entertainment, and to live your life. So this definitely does pay decent. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to the search bar on the left over here. You'll see there's a search bar. Over here we can go and find a whole bunch of different offers. So firstly, since this website is mostly North Korea and United States, we're going to come over to geography. We're going to come over to United States over here. We're then going to go and open up Max Bounty in another tab, and then we're going to go and search for North Korea. So that's alphabetical order. Here we can see here you can see Korea. So you want to go and select Korea, go and apply search options. Same with United States, go and apply search options. So now over here, we've got a whole bunch of different CPA offers that fits North Korea and that fits United States. So we can go and use any one of these pages here, because remember, the CPA offers in that specific country, only people in that country can click on our pages. So for example, this company over here, National Consumer Center, is having a $1,000 Visa card giveaway. So what they do is they collect emails from people all over the United States, whether it's 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 people, and they will give one lucky winner out of that email list $1,000. And remember, they make a lot more money than that $1,000 because they probably use that email list for affiliate marketing, email sequences, and probably make tens of thousands of dollars off that email list. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody. This company is benefiting by building the email list, by doing this giveaway, and we benefiting by referring people to this giveaway and getting paid to do that. So every person we refer to this $1,000 giveaway, we get $2.40 per person that we refer. So if I refer 10 people, that's $24. If I refer 100 people, that's $240. And I'm pretty sure most people will definitely want to enter the chance, especially knowing that it's free, to win a free $1,000. Who wouldn't want to do that? I would do that myself. It's a free chance. There's nothing to lose. So we're going to go and click on this offer over here. You'll see we'll load up this page. We want to go and click on build tracking link. I'm going to go and click on contextual, and we're going to go and look for our raw link over here. And over here is your affiliate link to this page. So every time someone from the United States clicks on this link, it opens up a landing page that looks like this, where it asks them a couple of questions and then eventually asks them to fill their name and email to enter for the giveaway. And they will then be notified via email if they've won the giveaway. If they haven't won, they obviously won't be notified. But I mean, like I said, it's a free chance to go and win $1,000. So once we've got our affiliate link over here, let's go and choose another product for Korea. So here we can see, for example, let's just go and have a look at what they've got. Here's a platform called Zen Surveys in Korea, which is allowing people to complete surveys and make money from that. So again, it's a free opportunity for people to make a couple of cents or $1 or $2 by literally completing a few surveys. And every person that we just referred to completes a survey, we're going to get paid $1.45 per lead. So let's go and click on this offer over here. I really think this is a good one. We can go and click on building link here. Again, contextual and raw link, and it will give you your affiliate link. Now, only people from Korea will be able to view this landing page. And for this offer, only people from United States will be able to view this page. Thirdly, we're going to continue to our website over here that you might have seen in the beginning called steemit.com, which is a really nice social media website that has recently come up that's paying people to go and post articles. So for example, this person over here who posted about Steam Update Crypto Academy Season 6 Week 4 courses. So this person obviously posts articles about their courses, has gotten paid $10 off this article alone. This person over here, which is a article about the Steampunk's update release, has gotten paid over $200 from this article. Here you can see it's obviously some Korean articles. Like I said, most of the traffic is from Korea and United States. This person has made over $200 just from this article. So what we can go and do is we can actually go and launch our own articles on steemit.com. I'm going to show you a platform that will literally generate articles for you. And we can not only go and get paid through our CPA offers in our articles, but this website can also go and pay us directly for our articles. So we're going to go and click on sign up on the top right over here. It will take us to this following page. If you're in a country that's not supported, you most likely will get a message like this: insufficient places, which means your country is not supported. I use a tool over here called Setup VPN, which is a free extension for Google Chrome, which you can connect to a VPN. So I just connect to the United States, refresh the page. You'll then be able to create your account. So once your account has been created, created, we need to go and find some ideas for an article. So what I've picked up from this website, most of the content on this website is about crypto, NFTs, and courses. So yeah, you can see, for example, I can't really understand this, but I can see this picture over here is a trading chart. So this is maybe an article about trading cryptocurrencies or Forex or whatever. So here you can see is an Indian museum article that's made $277. So I would mostly focus on science, technology, crypto niche, computing, that kind of niche. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to a website called writesonic.com. You can click on start writing for free. I've already got an account. You don't even need a credit card. The free trial is free without even entering your credit card. I'm going to click on sign in with my account on the top right. And once you've signed in, you will find a whole bunch of different tools that we can go and use on this website. Most important one being the AI article and blog writer. So this is a really epic tool and very underrated tool, an underground tool where you can enter one topic, a keyword, whether it's Tesla, NFT, Forex, crypto, you name it. And it will write an entire article for you within seconds. So take a look at how this works. You've got also a whole bunch of different other article or tools over here that if you want to use. For example, it will write you cold emails. It will write you down for your Amazon descriptions, give you growth ideas for your business, personal bios, Google SEO meta tags, YouTube intros, outlines, titles, etc. Of course, that's not really important for what we're going to use here. We want AI article and blog writer over here. So we're going to go and click on this and it will open up this generator tool in a new tool. So we're going to click on AI article writer 2.0 and we can go and write any topic. So let's just go and write here, for example, NFT. We want this to be English. Let's click on generate ideas. NFTs, the basics, do's and don'ts. So let's click on this article over here. I think this is quite a handy one that will teach a lot of people valuable information about NFTs. Let's click on generate intros. There's obviously an article, is an intro, body, and a outro, or the end part or the end paragraph. So that's how this tool works. We're going to generate each and every part. So here we can go and use this first one here. It doesn't really matter. We can click on generate outlines, which is the outline, and then we're going to go and generate the whole article as a whole. So let's go and have a look and see what this gives us. We've got different sections. For example, section 1, what are NFTs? Why NFTs? How to incorporate NFTs into your business. So let's go and select this one. Let's go and then choose write an article over here. And this tool will then write for us, done for your article in just a couple of seconds. Your entire article is done. You've got your title, introduction, the body, and then over here your conclusion. So what we can go and do is we can then go and copy this article over here that's done for us. We can come over to steemit.com. We can go and post our articles over here. So once you've signed in, you click on the pen over here. You just enter your login username. So I'm just going to do that quickly. If you want to go another route, we can go and type here, for example, let's go eZine articles. We can click on enter. So eZine articles is an amazing website where you can go and get tons of articles written by other people, which you are given the right to go and use yourself. So let's just go and search NFT on eZine articles. We can click on search. Here you can see, here's an interesting article on crypto analysis. So we can go and open this up over here. And over here, again, you can go and copy this entire article. We can come over to a website called, let's just go and search here, Article Spinner or Article Rewriter, which is a tool that will rewrite articles into your own words. Again, amazing tool, especially if you're in school and have to write essays. You can use this tool to reword all of your articles. So we're going to input all of our text here. Just type in the symbol, which you can see is ZZD. Let's click on spin text. And over here, in the output text, waiting for this to load up, and it's reworded this entire article for you. So you can go and copy this entire article, come back to steemit.com and go and post your same article over here. So at the end of the day, this website is really fairly new. So the odds of hitting the top page over here is really, really good. And remember, different articles will appear on different people's top pages. So this is a great way to really go and build an audience, get some attention to your articles. And what you can go and do is amongst your articles over here, you can go and type stand a chance to win a free $1,000 Visa card. And then all you would go and do is you'd come back to Max Bounty over here, just go and copy your affiliate link over here. And we can go and paste this. Let's try to find the page over here. And now you've got a link to your offer over here. If you want to, you can go and use Bitly or any kind of URL shortener just to go and neaten your link up. And this is the article you can go and paste on steemit.com. So not only steemit.com will start paying you for your articles, but you can also start making money through your CPA links in your articles on steemit.com. I mean, some of these articles are actually earning a good amount of money. I mean, this one made $300. This one only made $1. So it varies. Some made more, some might make more, some might make less. but that's why I post consistently on this website. I recommend maybe once a day, once every second day, get a bit of a schedule going. But that's it for today's video. I really hope you got a lot of value from this. I'm going to help you out a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a free trading course that will help you read the markets, how I read the markets. So over here on my screen, I've got a playlist called Trading 2022, which is about 14 videos of different live streams and trades that I've actually done in this playlist. So there's profits. I make profits live. I think one of the videos I made about $600 within 5 minutes in the video. Really valuable. I actually predicted the market and went exactly according to plan. As well, like I mentioned, I've got a Telegram group where I post all my signals. I post tons of free analysis and free information on Forex and mostly gold as well, and sometimes NASDAQ and US 30. So if you want to go and get some value on that side of things, Forex trading, definitely an excellent industry and a great skill to learn in today's world. I don't sell courses with trading. I'm doing everything. I'm helping out for free. All my courses are on YouTube, so I don't charge for courses. YouTube pays me for that content. So in that way, you don't have to pay for any of that content. So that's the first link in the description. I also recommend click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.